Speakers, how to get rid of filler words? Yes, speakers, it's very important to get rid of filler words. What is your favorite filler word? Mine is, and right. But I don't use it many times. I mean, once in a while is absolutely okay. So I'll tell you a small story about filler words. In 2008, it's a real story, by the way. In 2008, Caroline Kennedy, the daughter of late President John Kennedy, was supposed to be, selected as the next US Senator to succeed Hillary Clinton. When she gave her interview to the New York Times and it was published, it went viral. You know why it went viral? It was found that in her speech, she used, 142 times. Although she had an excellent resume, she did not get the job because her articulation wasn't up to the mark. Yes. So which fillers do you use? Yeah, yes. So, well, like, literally, honestly, truly, okay. What about your colleague who uses right after every sentence? So let's come to how to get rid of this filler words. It's very simple. Practice the same speech using pauses instead of filler words. So let's come to how to get rid of this filler words. It's very simple. Practice. So go and record your speech this time. Count the number of filler words you have used, and next time try to practice the same speech, replacing the filler words with small pauses. Try that out. Stay tuned for the next video.